Hello there YouTube, this is Jim Bob 1979.5. This is my everyday carry or EDC. My personal choice is a subcompact 9mm Sky. Great gun, great value, great everything. It's just a nice gun at a great price. Got this nice leather holster to carry. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's a Tagua. I don't know if I'm saying it right. But and I carry the gun. Come with 2 magazines. I only carry 1. Hydroshock ammo. If I can't do what I need to do in 10 shots or less, then I or nobody needs to be carrying around any kind of weapon. That's my opinion. That's what I carry. Nothing else, nothing more.